Welcome to our channel. In this video, we share 34 creative and budget-friendly ideas for using breeze blocks to enhance your outdoor space and create functional areas. Whether you're looking to expand your patio, create pathways, or build garden walls, these ideas will inspire you to transform your outdoor area into a stylish and practical living space, where you'll discover Patio Expansion, ideas for using breeze blocks to create a larger and more usable patio area, garden walls, how to build garden walls for privacy, and to define different areas of your outdoor space. Planter boxes, DIY projects for creating planter boxes and raised garden beds, outdoor. Furniture, using breeze blocks to create benches, tables, and seating areas, pathways, and stepping stones. Creative designs for pathways and stepping stones using breeze blocks. Decorative elements, ideas for incorporating breeze blocks into your garden's design aesthetic. Vertical gardens, how to build vertical gardens and trellises with breeze blocks. Fire pit area, creating a fire pit area with breeze block seating. Some with Face Y Watch, affordable solutions. Discover economical ways to enhance your outdoor space with breeze blocks, DIY projects. Get inspired by easy-to-follow projects that you can do yourself. Enhance usability. Increase the usable area of your garden or patio with practical breeze block designs. Modern aesthetics. Achieve a contemporary look that complements your outdoor decor. House with garden for all homeowners. Whether you have a small backyard or a large garden, these ideas cater to all types of outdoor spaces and design preferences. Join our community. Subscribe for more landscaping, ideas, DIY projects, and outdoor living inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite breeze block paving ideas in the comments below. All about ideas.